Here at Conto, we've got the Juki DDL-8100e. This is a fascinating sewing machine as it comes built in with a silent servo motor, and as you can see, whilst the machine is switched on, it is making no noise compared to a clutch motor. The speed control can be done through here as well, and you can adjust it to slow settings to really fast. It's very convenient for anyone who is desiring to sewing for long periods of times, as there is no vibration either, and the sound when you're sewing, you get no sound from the motor. The knee lifter is located under the machine as well, and it provides great clearance for your threads, for your fabrics when you are sewing, making it very easy to take material in and out. The reverse lever is located just below the thread stitch length, which can also be adjusted from 1mm to 5mm. There is also a thread tension that can be adjusted here on the thread tension unit as well. As you can see, you get great stitches every time you sew, no matter the length. This machine also has the bobbin winder built into the side of the machine, which is run off the belt. To activate it, you simply push it forward and it will turn the bobbin and you can wind your thread. For any other questions or any other machines that you want us to video and explain, please leave a message in the comments and we will try our best to get a video about that specific machine. Thank you very much.